candy. Aha. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, baby. Yikes-a-glio! Wowie, wow. Yes. Aha, yes. Give me all that. Thank you very much. Take all this, put it in there. And give me all that. And thank you very much. And take all this and put it in there. I need some wool and some concrete. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I need some colors. What in the world? Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, baby. Oh, it's gonna be wonderful. Oh. Woo! Ha ha! Oh, Corrales. Oh! Aha! But let us leave the castle. Oh yeah. Oh! Wow! Yes.
Okay. So if I kill you.
Mm-hmm. Oh, good. Nice.
Oh my goodness. See what happens.
I feel like I'm getting pranked again. Now I'm in a death loop.
No. This isn't a prank.
Okay.
Yeah, a little bit deeper.
But be very careful when you do. Please.
No lava.
It could be anywhere. Careful. Oh, goodness. Okay. Here I go. Ha! I made it. I'm over here. Oof. Oh! I was one heart. Oh no!
All right, we keep.
Careful, you're in it. Oh, okay, come on out. Oh no! Oh no, Grid! Oh, sucker. Okay.
You are joking.
He died. It's there now. Down he went. He's down.
Go.
Oh, do it again. Flip it. He's on the spot. Get him! He's in!
He's done.
Oh, yes! Oh! Block of quartz! So much quartz! Look at all this wood! Okay. Open sesame!
Not quite.
Not quite? Close.
Nope.
Yikes! Oh, looking terrifying. I'm gonna tell him he looks amazing, though, just so he feels good about himself. That looks so funny, though. Gotta sleep. Let's have a wonderful night's sleep, everybody. The Smare? The wonderful Smare of Hermittown. The mayor of the shopping district. I can't get out! Somebody call somebody! Wonderfully wonderful. Hi, you creepy creeper! I kill with this! Where are they? Aha, there they are. Look at this wart farm. Oh, yeah. Here's my trick. You see, we're in line. Here we go. Please. Here we go. I'm on target and bam. I can't even get out of the house. Oh, no. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, I forgot. Oh, yes. Thank goodness. Oh, man. Intentional game design. Oh, no. Are there any wings here? Oh. Why didn't I? Oh, I wish. Oh, give me all this cobblestone. I need all of this to get back to my stuff. I need a new set of wings, I think.